Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of a superpower you have built right into you. I'm talking about your amazing eyesight. You use it every single second of the day, and now we're finally going to find out how it all works.
Okay, let's just dive right in. Are you ready to become a sight superhero? Because we're about to find out how your eyes work their magic, giving you the power to see the entire world.
I mean, really, stop and think about it for a second. How is it that you can see all the bright colors of a rainbow or the teeny tiny little patterns on a butterfly's wing? It's pretty wild, right? It's like your own personal magic show that's happening all the time. And today, we're going to peek behind the curtain. Well, the secret really starts right here. Your eyes are like two incredible little video cameras. They're always on, always recording the world around you and sending those little movies straight to your brain for you to watch. It's basically your own personal superpower vision. You know, every great superpower story needs a hero. And the hero of our story, the one who makes all this magic happen, is light. Its amazing journey is the key to every single thing you see.
So this is so important. Just imagine trying to find your favorite toy in a room that is completely dark. It's impossible, isn't it? That's because without our hero, light, your super sight just doesn't have any power at all. Your eyes simply can't do their job.
Light just zips out from all over the place. It comes from the super powerful sun, from the lamp on your bedside table, even from the screen you're looking at right this very second. Hey, look around your room real quick. Can you spot another thing that's making light? Well, that light bounces off everything, kind of like a super bouncy ball, and then it zooms right into your eyes.
So, let's move on to the next part of this adventure. Now that we know our hero, light, is on the move, let's follow it on its incredible journey into your very own eye camera. It's a 4-step mission, and get this, it happens faster than a lightning flash. First, the light goes through the light gate, then it meets the focus master, which projects it onto the picture screen, and then, finally, the brain boss figures it all out.
Okay, first stop is the pupil. That's that little black dot right in the middle of your eye. A good way to think of the pupil is like a friendly but very firm security guard for your eye, deciding exactly how much light gets to come inside.
And your pupil is super smart. When you're playing outside on a really bright, sunny day, it shrinks down to a tiny little dot to protect your eye from getting too much light. But then, when you're in a dark room, it opens up really wide to let as much light in as it possibly can. And you know what the coolest part is? It does this all by itself, automatically. Alright, so once the light gets past our pupil guard, it meets the lens. You know how you can tap on a phone screen to make a picture clear? Well, the lens in your eye is doing that all the time, constantly adjusting to make sure everything you see is sharp and in focus, not all blurry. It's the focus master. So, we followed the light through the light gate and past the focus master. But now, we've reached the grand finale. This is the most mind-boggling, most amazing part of your superpower. It's your brain's incredible magic show. The light, now that it's perfectly focused, travels all the way to the very back of your eye, almost like a movie being projected onto a special screen. And that screen has a name. It's called the retina. This is where the picture of the world is actually painted inside your body. So the movie lands perfectly on the retina screen, but there's a secret. A really surprising, kind of weird secret that might just blow your mind. Are you ready for it? Yep, you heard me right. The picture that forms inside your eye is completely, totally upside down. Can you even imagine if you saw the world that way? Your dog would be walking on the ceiling, everything would just be topsy-turvy. So why isn't everything upside down for you right now? It's because of this. Your eyes are the cameras, but your brain is the director. It's the boss of the whole show. Your brain gets that upside-down message, and faster than any computer on Earth, it flips the picture the right way up, so the world makes sense. How cool is that?
Now that you know the secret of your brain's magic trick, it's time to put your own brain to the test. Let's become eye explorers and actually see your amazing superpower in action.
Okay, you have to try this with me. Look at something across the room. Now cover your right eye with your hand. Got the view? Okay, quick, switch hands and cover your left eye. Did you see that? See how things seem to jump a little bit? That's your brain working super duper fast, taking two different pictures and stitching them together like a puzzle. That's how you can tell how close or far away things are.
All right, eye explorers, it's time for a super fast quiz. First question, what is the number one thing, the absolute hero of our story that powers up your sight? Is it A, water, B, light, or C, air?
And if you said B, light, you got it. That is exactly right. Without our hero light, our superpower of sight can't even get started.
Okay, on to the next one. What do we call that little black circle, the security guard that lets light into your eye? Is it A, the pupil, B, the lens, or C, the retina?
And the answer is A, the pupil. You are on a roll. That's our automatic light controller that's working hard all day long to protect your eyes and help you see, no matter how bright or dark it is.
Okay, last question. And this one is the most important one of all. Which part of your body is the super smart director, the brain boss, that flips the upside-down picture and actually understands everything you're looking at? Is it A, your ears, B, your brain, or C, your nose?
The answer is, of course, B, your brain. You totally nailed it. So the next time you look at a beautiful sunset or watch your favorite cartoon, just remember that incredible superhero team working together. Light, your eyes, and your amazing, powerful brain. Your body is doing science every single second. Pretty awesome, huh? So, what other amazing things do you think your body can do?